Hello guys, it's me again, Teacher Fatima, ang inyong math teacher dito sa Taiwan. At dahil nga guys, marami tayong katanungan today of how to apply as teacher here in Taiwan. Sasagutin natin yan. So today ang ibibigay ko is how to apply in the agency of Teach Taiwan. So first, kailangan mong mag-submit ng curriculum vitae or resume sa kanilang email. And then, makakatanggap ka ng ganitong message, meaning to say, natanggap na nila ang iyong application. It's stated there that you have to wait for 5 days. But yung sa akin guys, umabot lang ng 2 days at nireplyan nila ako ng ganito. So basically, hingan kanila ng self-introduction video. So advice kung paano gawin ang self-introduction guys, simple lang, make it short but precise. Yung akin, umabot lang po ng 1 minuto. And then, always remember that in this step guys, you have to do your best kasi i-assist yan ng Teach Taiwan kung makakaproceed ka pa sa kanilang application. So, kailangan mong galingan. Magpakitang gilas ka na sa self-introduction video mo pa lang. Then after that, kapag nakapasa ka sa self-introduction video, makaka-receive ka naman ng ganitong mensahe. Meaning to say, kailangan mo nang magbasa sa mga documents na kailangan nila. What are these documents again? First, your CAV or certification, authentication, and verification of your diploma and TOR. And then, make sure nga yung TOR mo is nakalagay, the purpose is for employment abroad. And then, second is your teaching license. And then, of course, your updated NBI. Remember guys, for your teaching license, make sure na hindi pa siya pa-expire in the same year. Same sa naging nangyari sa akin, I have to renew it kasi kailangan valid pa siya at least 1 year. And then, for your NBI, also remember that yung NBI natin dito is yung validation ng NBI natin dito is good for 1 year, but here in Taiwan, it's all good for 6 months. So, dapat updated din yung NBI clearance ninyo. Kapag na-certify mo na lahat, then isend mo na ulit yan sa Teach Taiwan. And then, makaka-receive ka ulit ng ganitong message sa kanila. Which means, nasa last step ka na ng kanilang application, ang kanilang interview. Do your best. Don't you worry kasi ibibigay naman nila yung set of questions, possible questions na itatanong sa'yo during interview. So, makaka-prepare ka na yung mga sagot. Though, may mga questions din guys na wala sa kanilang binigay na listahan. So, you have also to prepare. And then after that, hindi ka na makaka-receive kung nakapasa ka ba or failed. Ang sasabihin lang nila sa iyo is you have to wait for this call placement. Okay? So, yun lang.